Chemistry and Cooking by Justin Wyckoff and Julian Quay. Reaction rate, temperature. When cooking, all meats are cooked in different ways. For example, steaks can be cooked in a pan or on a grill, but what it has in common is it's usually cooked at a high temperature. When Justin cooked the brisket, he had to take into account how fast the meat would cook. He liked to cook it for about 6 hours around 260 degrees. But using a smoker is not like a regular grill. The way you control the temperature is by how much oxygen you let in. You have to determine when to open the vents to let in a certain amount of oxygen for a certain amount of time. Justin checked the temperature gauge every so often to keep control of the temperature. Breakdown of chemicals with slow cooking. When cooking the meat, you have to use a controlled temperature. This is because the fat inside of meats is full of collagen. When cooking at high temperatures, it will speed up the cook time, although it will make the collagen react and make the meat tighten up. Then compared to when you slow cook it, it counteracts the collagen and basically melts it. You can see the fat side of the brisket that contains the collagen in the picture. Gas behavior. Gas behavior is another reaction that helps break down the collagen. When the wood gets burned, it emits a chemical called cellulose. That cellulose then gets into the meat and adds basically a caramelizing effect, but it also breaks down the collagen because of the low temperature the wood burns at. Justin used mosquito wood for the brisket. Combustion. Combustion. Combustion is one of the most important aspects when smoking meat. Combustion is the factor that will give the meat all its flavor. Combustion is the basis of the chemical interaction between oxygen and a fuel source. Justin talked about it in another slide, but oxygen is how you basically control the whole smoker. You use it to increase and decrease the produced smoke. The picture shows a red smoke ring that was produced by smoke, which indicated the name. Potential energy. After cooking the food, Justin was able to enjoy the meal with his family. But when eating the food, he was producing energy. He was producing potential energy for later use. You can see the finished product in the picture. Thanks for watching.